Well, hello, my pretties, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Thank you so much for joining me today. Before we get started, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know which subscription boxes you've tried. If you've tried Glow Addict, if you've tried any others, let me know. Just let me know. I'm always on the search for the best box out there. So today, as you can see, we are welcoming back Glow Addict to the show. It has been so long, my dear love. I'm so glad to have you back in my arms. So we're basically in a relationship, like me and Glow Addict, only they don't know just yet. Good going and spilling the beans, Leslie. So if this one is disappointing, we may have to take a break for about a month or so. Okay, guys, let's get started. I'm super eager to find out what is in this box. It is the Glow Addict mystery box. In the past, I have gotten just the regular subscription box, and I've loved them. I think that one was like 4 to 7 products or something, and this one is 7 to 10 products for $20, and the other one was $18.99. So this one is a surprise. I have no idea what's in it. Let's get going and check it out. I was a little skeptical when I saw this size of this box for 7 to 10 products, but looks can be deceiving, and we're giving them the benefit of the doubt. Let's get this started. What is this? Okay, so this is supposed to be 7 to 10 products. Okay, so that's this thing, which I have gotten before in the past. I mean, it's cute, but it's been had. It is it's a swirl and sparkle and a bestie for your brush with Glow Addict, and it's toasted marshmallow and all natural, cruelty free. I guess you just rub your brush in there and it cleans it. It doesn't seem like a lot of product though. Okay, so on to the next. We have a hemp leaf multi-repair facial mask. Okay. So it's for all skin types, invisible and light natural fiber mask. Endowed with CBD and fatty acid, hemp leaf extract is an ideal ingredient for anti-inflammation, anti-aging, pain relieving, soothing, hydrating, and smoothing. Exclusively together, hemp leaf extract with Janchana, Scabra, I don't know what any of that is. Oh, B5, vitamin B5. So the mask significantly repairs multiple skin problems of acne, dull oily skin, dehydration, sunburn, irritation, and aging. Repairs skin barriers and improves skin immunity. Woohoo! Okay. Well, okay. So we got that. Next up we have is another sheet mask. Okay, it's cute. Sweet Chef Kale and Vitamin B Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask. Hydrates and soothes skin. Selfie approved. Okay. Sweet Chef mixes the perfect daily shot of vegetables and vitamins to freshly boost your skin's vitality and deliver a healthy radiance. Quenching your skin has never been so sweet. Kale, nutrient-rich superfood kale, calms and nourishes the skin. Okay. So we got 2 masks. And then, oh my gosh, I've gotten this. This is the 3rd time I've gotten this. It is the Illuminati Gel Paint, Electric Pink and Electric Blue. It's the 3rd time I've gotten this. Okay. And then this thing, Beaute. It's to put on your eyelashes. Have a lot of these, so not impressed with that. Next up, so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4 items. Oh, 5. This 5th one right there. Okay, number 6 is Suva Beauty Glossy Lamination Liquid Lipstick. Okay, Suva Beauty's good. I like that. Well, that's not opening up. And then it's called Illusionist is the color name. Dude, these don't even open. Okay, there we go. So there you go. That's a little bit pretty. A little bit pretty. So I don't know if that's my color though, especially because I need a color change. Okay, and last up, so that was 1, 2, 3. So that's 6 items, right? Yeah. And here's number 7. I have been eyeballing this palette, but ended up not really wanting it as much as I thought I did, but I got it. So it's Millennial Beauty 12 color eyeshadow palette infused with cannabis, sativa, and extract. Okay, cookies, hemp infused. It's by Millennial Beauty. Well, it's really pretty. I mean, I love the shimmers. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmers out of 12. And so this, oh, it's a cute color story because it's a theme. Whoops. So we got butter, icing, macaroon, snowball, raisin, shortbread, velvet, chocolate, biscotti, frosted, spritz, and matcha. So, it's a really cute palette. It's really cute. I don't think I wouldn't have paid for it, but that's cute. So those are all the items we got. So let's do the recap and show what items we got for 20 bucks. So we got these 3. Let's throw that one in there. That's 4. And this one here, so that's 5, 6, and 7. So this is what we got for $20. I know I've been seeing this palette go for at least 10. Sometimes more, depending on what you're getting it on. The lipstick, I know Suva is a good brand. I wouldn't say it's worth much more than that. Am I okay for my $20? Sure. Expected a little bit more, but it's a pretty good box actually with the Suva and the palette. Could have done without the mask, but you get a mystery box. That's what you get. That's the whole fun in a mystery box. You don't know what's in it until you get it, until you open it. It's a mystery. So, yeah, I'm okay with the box. Will I order the mystery boxes again? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, these 2 I could have done without. Actually, these three I totally could have done without. But that's okay. It's okay for 20 bucks. It's okay for 20 bucks. Will I still order from Glow Addict? Yeah, I think next time I'm going to try a subscription box. Yes, that's what we're going to do. Stay tuned for a subscription box from them so we can compare. Okay? Thank you so much for watching my Glow Addict unboxing. And stay tuned for my new and exciting videos to come. Thank you so much. Bye!